If you spot anything suspicious, please speak to a member of railway staff or the British Transport Police. You can text the British Transport Police on 61016. Remember the 3 S's. See it, say it, sort it. For your safety, please keep away from the platform edge, as some fast trains will stop.
Hi viewers, welcome to another video. We've not been about for a while. This one's off to Nottingham, number 531. I'm filming this in 4K on my new camera we got about a month ago. Hopefully there'll be no shaking of the camera. We've got some freight trains coming through after this one, at least 2, and one the other direction. If you're not subscribed yet, can you please subscribe? I wonder where this one's come from. Maybe Sheffield. Diesel loco, yep. And within a couple of minutes we've got another one coming, going to Nottingham. This one's literally turned up about 2 or 3 minutes after the first one. One 195 001, that one. I would imagine this one stopped at Alfreton, whereas the last one we just saw doesn't stop at Alfreton. It's a lovely sunny evening. Just gone 7:30. One 195 022 off to Leeds. The next train should be a freight train going from Leeds to Southampton. Here it comes now. Oh, that was Freightliner 66508, that one, off to Southampton. The next freight one should be going from Tunstead sidings to Washwood Heath up sidings. I've got no idea where that is. Anybody know? Let me know in the comment below. According to a timetable, it's currently just gone through Clay Cross North Junction. So stay tuned, folks. Why not subscribe while we're waiting for the train to come through, yeah? Apparently the train we're waiting for now, coming from that direction, would have aggregates on it. So I'm supposing it might be cement, is it? Could be cement or gravel, couldn't it? I wonder what time sunset is today, because it's 5 to 8 now. Sunset's about 5 to 9, is it? 9:30ish. Soon be longest day of the year, and then it gets dark early in the afternoons afterwards. How time flies, yeah. If you're not subscribed yet, can you please subscribe? Well, I'll be waiting for the train to come through, yeah. And here it comes now. Looks like a DB cargo train, that one. .66078, that one. This one's off to Norwich, East Midlands Railway, 420. And there's another one coming. This is going to Liverpool, I think, that one. .170.420, that one. And this one's going to be 158.862. Couple of people asleep on that train. Two coaches all the way to, that one's going to Manchester Piccadilly. It's quite crowded though. This one's off to Norwich. .418 on the back, noisy old beast, isn't it? That one's off to Manchester Piccadilly. If I was going on train right now, I think I'll go to Norwich. The next train should be coming from that direction, from Dagenham in Essex, going to Hope. That's a cement factory, a cement quarry, I do believe, from the books I've been reading in the library. I'm pretty sure that's where the cement factory is, or cement quarry is. This one's running about 4 minutes early, so we'll stay tuned for now. We missed one just now. It come half hour early, and I was in the car charging the battery up. So we'll wait for this one. If you're not subscribed yet, can you please subscribe? I want to try and get to 1,000 subscribers if I can. Here it comes now. Going to a cement quarry, this one. Six 619, that one. We've seen this train already earlier on in this video. It's been to Nottingham, we've dropped the passengers off, and it's turned round and come back again. $195,001. I think that's the first one we saw in a video today, isn't it? Going to Nottingham. Now it's going away. Excuse me. And now it's going to Leeds from Nottingham, yeah.